Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here, I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer, I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now, I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now, promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love. Tell me what you wanna do, I'll do anything. As long as I can be here with you, everything's alright. I'll be right here, I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer, I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now, I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now, I promise I won't leave your side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love, love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love.
Hey guys, so as you've seen, I shampooed the carpet in my kids' room. I'm waiting for it to dry up so that way I can vacuum it. And I showed you the dirty water, I showed you me dumping it out. Yes, I'm gonna clean my tub, but I want to finish the rest of my upstairs because I just figured if I'm gonna do their room, I might as well do everywhere else. The last time we cleaned our carpets was honestly New Year's Eve. But the reason that I decided to clean the carpets is because my daughter kept having a little bit of accidents, and my floor was just soaking it up, and I was just not okay with that. The smell was not okay. So I figured I'd get that out of the way and clean that up. And I'm going to do the carpet in my room next, but I want to pick up the things that's on my floor and put everything on my bed and vacuum a little bit, because when I did the kids' hair, there's hair on and rubber bands on my floor still. So I want to vacuum this up quick, and then I will get to shampooing this carpet. Okay, hi guys. So, I'm recording this on my phone because my camera died and I have to charge both batteries. But I wanted to show you the progress so far. So, I finished my bedroom, and in the last clip, you'll see like halfway through my bedroom how dirty the water was, and I just finished the rest of it. This is my hallway filled with the kids' stuff, chair from my bedroom. I will be doing the carpet in the hallway. I'm debating if I want to do the steps as well, but so for right now, I'm going to just let this carpet dry. The kids' room's carpet is actually almost dry, not completely yet. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to let the carpet dry, and I'm going to make myself something to eat. The kids are downstairs eating now. So I will see you guys when my camera is charged and when I'm vacuuming their room and putting their stuff back in the room. Okay guys, so the kids' room is vacuumed. It's not completely dry at all. It's like, I want to say like 80% dry. So I did have the kids put the toys back in, so they're not in my hallway. My room, I'm clearly in my room, but my carpet is still wet, so I'm not gonna vacuum in here. But I'm going to bring my chair out of the hallway so that way I can vacuum in the hallway and get the carpet done that's in the hallway.
time. Just want the mood to be right, keeping it low in the night, yeah. So long since I get a glimpse of a light, it's blurring out my eyes. We should open up a window. I can't see clear. In this I know out to window, cause it's just my habit, and I can't describe it. And she can talk about it like it's magic, the way that she loves my habits. Giving her compliments, I'm yours if you need a friend, yeah, yeah. Fake one, staying up till the end. Yeah, I know how to play pretend. Tell me, how do I get inside? Open up your mind. In this I know how to win a fight, cause it's just my habit, and I can't describe it. And she can talk about it like it's magic, the way that...
Okay, so the water that you seen was from the last little bit in my bedroom and then the hallway area. I decided I'm not going to do the steps because that thing's heavy and I'm not doing that. I'm not carrying it on the steps to do that, no. So that's it for my carpet. I'm waiting for my bedroom to finish. I'm gonna wait for the hallway to finish so I can vacuum and clean off my bed. I'm going to clean the tub once the kids go to bed because I don't need them running in and out of the bathroom. So I will wait, and I'll see you guys after my kids go to bed.
She can talk about it like it's magic, the way that she loves my habits, just my habits, and I can't describe it. And she can talk about it like it's magic, the way that she loves my habits.
Hi guys, so my kids finally went to bed. So as you've seen, I actually cleaned the tub and I vacuumed up my room. I cleaned off my bed off camera because it really wasn't anything to see. My hallway has not been vacuumed because it's still just a little bit damp. So I want to wait maybe like another hour or so and then I'll vacuum that up.
Flying on the chemicals, guess I'm not the lucky type. Trust me, you don't wanna know how it's night after night, night after night, oh, searching after miracles, oh yeah, night after night, night after night, night after night.
Hi guys, so I wanted to come in because I didn't close the video out last night, but I do want to show you how everything looks. Off camera I washed all of our bed sheets. My quilt, my blanket, whatever, is in the dryer still getting dry, so that's the only thing that's not finished. But I did the bathroom, washed the rest of the laundry, put it all away. My kids' room has toys all over it, of course, because they've been playing. But yeah, let's show you how everything looks. So, my room. Clean. But their carpet is very much clean. Changed their sheets, everything. And I cleaned the bathroom. So all clean. So that is the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.